When discussing confidence, the image that first comes to mind is of a person who has their arms crossed across their chest, exudes some sort of swagger or bravado, and is unafraid of anything or anybody. However, this isn't always the case. Self-assurance may be subtle. It's just a straightforward demonstration of skill, knowledge, and self-confidence. Confident individuals are known to do a lot of things, but have you ever pondered or inquired about what they don't do? Here is a list of things they virtually never do, in case you're curious. 1. They can take action without anyone else's consent. They do not require instructions on what to do or when to do it. Instead of wasting time, they don't ask meaningless inquiries such as, "Can I really do it? Ought I?" Instead, they ask themselves, "Why not? Why should I not?" It doesn't occur to them that they should wait for someone else to handle it when they preside over a meeting, while the chair is absent, or go out of their way to assist a client. They understand what must be done and effectively carry it out. 2. They don't hesitate to solicit assistance. They are aware that asking for assistance won't degrade their strength or intelligence. They are aware of their talents and shortcomings, and when they need help in a particular area, they ask for it. They greatly advance themselves by picking up knowledge from someone with far more ability. Many people are reluctant to ask for assistance because they are worried about what other people will think of them. They don't want to inquire about something that some would think is obvious or that they ought to already know. On the other hand, confident people aren't embarrassed to ask for help. After all, everyone requires assistance occasionally. 3. It is restrictive to judge oneself against others. People who are confident don't waste time judging others or wondering if they are good enough for everyone they encounter. They don't make an effort to resemble others. One thing about confident people is that they lead genuine lives. And if doing that necessitates standing out from the crowd, so be it. Instead of attempting to be like everyone else, they would rather be loyal to who they are. However, being able to do so implies that they are aware of who they are. They make the most of life because they don't attempt to be somebody they're not. Despite the abundance of imitators, confident people choose to be themselves. They don't live up to the standards set by others. They march to the beat of their own drum and stand firmly on their own 2 feet. Life is much too precious to be wasted. Living a life that has been selected by someone else. 4. They do not assess themselves against others. When some of your close friends achieve greater success than you do, or when a coworker gets promoted while you don't, it generally hits you hard. But if you're continually comparing your achievements to those of others, you'll never find the calm or contentment you're looking for. Confident people are aware that they only have themselves to please. They take things slowly and gauge their progress by the person they were the day before, and rather than being deterred by others' success, they are inspired by it. 5. They don't go overboard when trying to wow. When they achieve tremendous success, a lot of individuals like to show off their money by purchasing opulent homes and showy automobiles. Additionally, others frequently judge you negatively based on your material goods. People who are confident are already at ease and secure in their own skin. They don't appear to need to overcompensate. They don't care if you're wearing the hottest clothes or driving the newest sports vehicle. The relationships they develop are built on common experiences and histories. They don't feel the need to show off their material goods to everyone. They would rather that you be struck by the sort of person they are. 6. They don't portray themselves as helpless victim. People who are confident concentrate on the things they can manage. They don't hold people or the outside world responsible for their misfortune. Rather than leaving everything up to the cosmos, they would want to be in charge of their own fates. Blaming others won't help you develop or accept responsibility for your life. A self-assured individual will own up to errors they've made and seek to improve so that they don't happen again. Never will you hear them complain about the unfairness of the situation or that everyone is out to get them. They have no time to pout and assign blame. Although they are aware that they cannot control everything, they opt to concentrate all of their efforts on the things they can. 7. Negativity is not tolerated by them. They have a solid support system that keeps them grounded and serves as a constant reminder of their greatest qualities. When times are rough, they avoid hanging out with others who make fun of them or spread rumors about them. Instead, they surround themselves with upbeat and happy individuals. Although releasing individuals from our lives might be difficult, there are times when it is necessary to do so in order to improve our outlook on life. Additionally, they refrain from disparaging themselves. Each of us has a particular attitude about ourselves. Sometimes we believe that we are unable, that we have made a serious error, or that we will ultimately fail. And self-talk like this is what confident individuals steer clear of. When they experience this, they remain true to the truth. They are self-aware.